Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another reaction video. Janator here, dropping those reaction videos like I normally do, or trying to. This time we're reacting to something a little bit out of the norm. Amaranthe, Archangel. This probably gonna be something pretty, I don't know, I think this is gonna be awesome, man. Like I said, I'm a little familiar with the group. So let's get into this. You know, I just noticed, like in the last 30 seconds of this, I moved my hair out 4 times. Maybe I need to get a haircut. Alright. It's building. Yeah. I said, I don't know super a lot about Amaranthe, but I do know this. Niles is the current vocalist. Jake used to be the former male vocalist. I love both of them. Both are awesome. Both brought something dynamic to it, you know. Digging his vocals. Awesome. That was awesome. Is anybody else jealous? And all these, everybody in that band has longer hair than what I do, or you do probably, or you just want to flip your hair and you just realize you just don't got the length to your hair to do it, and you go, this sucks. I need to color my hair. She has amazing vocals, guys. To me, I just, she's awesome, man. She's awesome. Awesomeness. I gotta say, the production value on the video itself is awesome. The drums are awesome. The guitars, everything is just awesome. Awesome. Well, I gotta pause. Good shameful time to put this in. What other Amaranthe video would you guys like me to react to? You know, comment that below, guys. Or what other bands you feel that sound similar to Amaranthe and that you would like me to react to too. Comment that below, guys. So, you know, yeah. Very shameful of me, wasn't it? Alright.
I see
that chorus is catchy as all get out. Catchy. I can feel this for some people, you know. First time, second time, you like it a little better. Third time, you're in love. Whoa, got carried away there, didn't I? Got carried away there. Archangel, falling down against the odds. Bring the bloodless sacrifice from hell on earth to paradise. Archangel, falling down. Yeah, that was awesome. I love that, guys. So don't forget to comment below what other amaranthe video would you would you like me to react to one of their other videos? Which one would you like? Or what other bands similar to them that you might like me to react to? So comment that below too, guys. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share, man. We're getting pretty close to my goal I like to get to before Christmas. I think it's pretty plausible. It's not only possible, I think it's plausible. It's 50. We're 45. We're pretty close. We can do this. We can get there. Yeah. Alright, guys. Until then, guys. Peace.